How to recover deleted WhatsApp call history. So if you want to recover or restore your WhatsApp call history, then first you need to open up your file manager. You can go with any file manager application that you have on your Android device. After that, scroll down, go with the internal storage. Once you're on the internal storage, now you need to scroll down and then find the Android folder right here. Tap on Android, and under your Android, you need to tap on media. And here you need to tap on com.whatsapp, and again tap on the WhatsApp folder. And here you will have databases. Tap on it. Here you need to select all of these files. Once you've selected all the files, then you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on copy. Once you've copied, now you need to go back, and here you need to go with backups, and here you need to paste it. Go with the three dots and then paste it. Once you've pasted that here, then you will recover all of your deleted WhatsApp call history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.